Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. I have a unit. This is my second time doing this video because I lost a footage. Shame, shame, shame. Shame on me. Yeah, I'm redoing this video because I'm sorry, guys. So if this is your guys' first time here, welcome. I have a unit that I bought from Isee Hair, the Princess Collection. And I have a completely straight wig. I'm sorry, an 18-inch glueless straight let's rewind. Isee Hair Kinky Straight, a where to go glueless wig. Hairline pre-cut HD lace closure wig, a beginner friendly wig, 18-inch. And it is a 180% density Brazilian. So that's what I got. Like I said, this is my second time redoing this video because I lost the footage. I don't know what's going on because I get a new phone and all the work that I put into that video, it's gone. So I had to do it again. So I styled her. This is what she looks like. Oh, let me go back. Let me show you. She came in this cute little Isee Hair Princess Collection. Comb, earbrush, and a bonnet that says Princess. So, back to this beauty here. When I got it, it was a straight wig. So, like I said, I already styled her and put these curls in. So, this is what she looks like. So, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. She did come with the adjustable strap. And this is what she looks like inside after I put some L here. So I'm just going to snatch. She fits snug. I mean, I have a lot of room in my wig. See? We're gonna style her. When I was combing her, I had no shedding or tangling. Oh, let me tell you guys that you make sure you have your heating tools down because I cooked my hair in the back. I had hair on my heating tubes. I cooked it. So make sure you guys have your heating tubes turned down. You can wear this straight or you can have it curl. I opted in to have it curl. I don't know why, but I got this from Amazon. I'm not good with baby hairs, but I did it. This almost looks like my hair. This is my hair. Oh, wow. Let me put some more hair so... Wow. Wig dealer. I want my waist to be... His little carpet. Oh, wow. This is absolutely gorgeous. But you can put a little spray there to kind of melt it. But I'm going to put it just a little bit. Very, very little. You don't have to, but I'm just going to just a little bit to kind of... I'm going to use my other one. No. Spray. Alrighty, guys. I'm gonna let you guys see what she looks like. Oh, wow. She is absolutely gorgeous. Well, this is the end of the video. I'm gonna turn around and let you guys see what she looks like. This is the front. Tell me, you guys, what do you guys think? Would you buy her from Isee Hair? I would. I would buy me another one. I got two. That one, and I got another one up there. You guys see the videos. But I have no issues with this unit. Put your comments. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. Let's be about it. I thank you all so much for stopping by. Oh, like I said, I have no issues with this hair. Like I said, just make sure you turn down your heating tubes. Don't do like I did. Just be careful. I will have the information in the description box below. And I thank you all so much for stopping by. Till next time, to the next video should be rolling out. Just keep watching. Tell me, guys, what do you guys want to see next? Okay, tell me, what do you want to watch? What do you want? And till next time, I thank you all so much. Peace.